If you are new here, we are on the series on how to host a static website on GitLab. And in this episode, I will show you how to upload and create a folder on your GitLab repository or project and add images and any other media in the folders. GitLab does not allow you to upload a folder directly. However, you can create a folder on their website. How do you do that? You need to click on the plus icon and then you need to create a new directory, and then I'll call it static since my folder has this static folder, and then inside the static folder I have the images. So I'll have to create a folder within a folder on the GitLab, and then I have my images here. Okay, I'll go back to the website and then I'll commit the changes. After committing the changes, I'll then need to click on the plus icon again and then upload, and then I'll click the new directory, another new directory. I'll call it images, and this path is solely based on how you have configured your files in your local machine in the folder that you have stored your project. Okay, and then I'll commit to the main branch, commit changes. You can see the path that I am on is on the GitLab hosting, static, and then images. Okay, I'll then need to upload a new file, the file that was initially in my static on my local machine, new file. Now I'll go back to the folder that I have stored my projects and to the images that I have stored in this project, and then upload it, laptops.jpg. And remember, the image was not showing here. The image is supposed to be showing here. The image has been uploaded. Okay, let me go back to one of the URLs, actually the latest URL, and then I'll refresh F5, or you can click the refresh button on your browser. If I scroll down, you will now see the image is behind the text. Okay, and that is how you do it. Simply, you cannot upload a folder on GitLab, but on GitHub you can. That's actually one of the limitations of GitLab compared to GitHub. And if you're a developer or want to learn how to host a static website on GitLab using commands on your terminal, I've created a full playlist called Hosting Website on GitLab. You'll find the link in the description. And guys, we spend a lot of hours researching, testing, and simplifying this stuff so you don't have to sit through confusing, overcomplicated tutorials. If this video saves your time or frustration, just tap the like button. That single click helps the algorithm to push the video to someone else who is already stuck exactly where you were. I'm not asking you to subscribe. A like is more than enough. This video reached you because someone else did the same. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and be productive.